enjoyed this very little calming, relaxing Sunday morning chill routine. I'm very happy to be collaborating again with Vitruvi, which they are an essential oil company. Oils are very transparent on where they come from. They sell diffusers, a bunch of different oils, and also like face mist, sprays, very fun, beautiful things like that. So I'm super excited to help announce the launch of one of the co-founders' new books, Sarah. And so this is basically a modern guide to using essential oils in a bunch of different ways throughout your home of like beauty, body, and also home. I've only begun to scrape the surface of how many beautiful, very simple, quick, like concoctions and recipes there are in here to make like face scrubs, like you saw, like eucalyptus shower wraps, and all of these really, really simple things that just make you feel so good. I wish that you could smell through the camera, but I'm really excited to tap more into this. So if you guys want to check this out, this is out now. I have a discount code for you, which is going to give you 20% off your first order if you use the code VitruviXJenny. So hopefully you use that if you're interested, and I will see you in the next one.